The interior architecture program gets you from point A, college, to point B, which is job security. I loved the idea of being in the city.
Downtown Indianapolis is just like the gold mine with opportunities with different jobs.
The interior architecture program integrates a lot of innovative technologies throughout the curriculum. One of the things that we are most excited about is our coursework in architectural technology, and that allows students to learn the latest and greatest software programs that are emerging in our field. BIM technology, 3D printing, virtual reality, walkthroughs with clients are all a very important part of the curriculum, and we want students to graduate with those advanced skill sets so that they can be more competitive in industry.
I love the different softwares that we learn, like Revit, AutoCAD, Chief Architect, and I just have a love for design.
In high school, I was a very creative person, but then also loved math and science. And so I felt like the interior architecture program was a great way to merge the two.
Every semester, our students work with community partners in the Indianapolis area and nationally. And that allows them to have some hands-on experience knowing what it's like to work with a client.
Our program focuses on more those public interior environments. There's so much more that needs to go into that design than just selecting finishes and the aesthetic portion of that.
Work that I feel has been very impactful is the work that we do for Lutheran Child and Family Services. They have a facility where children are in foster care. I had the opportunity to really provide a warmer, more home-like setting for children who are in this situation, to create a space that was trauma-informed, but also fun.
It is about understanding humans, understanding their physical needs, understanding their mental health needs, and then how are you creating solutions that then can improve those.
Most of the courses in our program are what we call studio-based. And so students will come to class and they'll sit down and be provided with a client or a problem that they need to solve.
Team projects are important so that they're understanding that they are not always doing one particular portion that they're assigned and they got to collaborate on that. But it also goes back to those real world projects. If we can grab, and we try to do often, a project where there is a professional architect involved, possibly structural engineer involved, a product manufacturer that you are needing to work with involved. Our students really come together and support each other. You'll find it in the studio setting, you'll find it as they're helping each other with learning new technology.
It's really exciting to see a student who's entered the program as a freshman, kind of timid, quiet, unsure of what interior architecture is all about, and to watch them grow over 4 years and eventually go out and obtain the job of their dreams. Some will go to graduate school for architecture, others will work for prominent firms around the country, and it's so satisfying to see them take that next giant leap.